Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps and the 12 days of SOAPMAS. Today I will be making some Christmas soaps with my daughter, Lily. Lily, what would you like for Christmas?
A tree.
What would you like for Christmas? What are you asking for presents? What sort of present would you like?
Santa and snowflakes.
Santa and snowflakes, that's what you'd like for Christmas?
Yes.
All right, good to know. I'll keep that in mind. Now, Lily, I have some really cool things lined up for you here. I have some molds to pick from. I have some Santa shoes and some bells, and I have some Christmas trees. Which one would you like to use first?
This one.
This one? All right. Well, let's use the blue first. And then what color would you like to color your Christmas tree soaps? Would you like the green or would you like the pink for now for your Christmas tree soaps?
The pink.
The pink, okay. Well, I have lots of pink colors for you to choose from. I have one called Cantaloupe, I have one called Cosmic Carolyn, and I have one called Watermelon.
Oh, I want watermelon first.
Okay, we will watermelon first. Would you like some Sparkle Plenty or some Sparkle Red?
Sparkle pretty.
All right. And then, what do you want any glitter in your soap?
Yes.
Good. All right, which one would you like? We have some big sparkles and we have some rainbow sparkles.
That one.
Okay. Oh! Wonderful. All right, and the last thing to pick for this first round of soaps is the smell. Here's smell number 1. This is White Christmas from Crafter's Choice. Here's Peppermint Candy from Crafter's Choice. How do you like that one?
Yummy.
Okay, and Raw Sugar and Mint by Crafter's Choice. What'd you think? Which one would you like?
I would like that one.
This one, the peppermint one?
Yeah.
All right, smell, make sure. The one you want?
Mm-hmm.
All right, great. Now I'm going to weigh out some low sweat melt and pour. I'm going to weigh out about 8 ounces or so for this first round.
I want to put some in there.
How about you put this last one in? Right here. Thank you, madam. All right, I am going to go heat this up in the microwave. I'll be right back.
Okay. Daddy. Please don't take them just because you can. Jolene. Please don't take them just because you can.
Here's our soap all melted down. Now, remember, it's very hot, so we're going to have to be a little bit careful, but I will let you stir in all of the pretty things that you have picked out right here. You can hold this. Here. Why don't you scoop out a little? Whoa. All right, that looks nice. And then scoop out a little bit of color to put in, just a little bit. All right, you can start stirring that slowly. Look at you, you already know what to do. I'm gonna sprinkle in a little bit of glitter into these right here for you while you mix that up. That way you can see the glitter in the soap on the bottom.
Ooh.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, wonderful. So I'm gonna add in a little bit of the fragrance that you picked now, the peppermint. I think that was a very good choice. Let me get you some up in here. Gonna add about 4 milliliters or so. You wanna squeeze that? There you go. All right, so let's mix all that in really, really well. All right.
Yeah.
Careful while you do it. I'm gonna spray this a little bit. Let's let Mama mix a little bit and then we'll start pouring into the molds. Wow, Lily, this looks really good. All right. So, I'm gonna pour for you here.
A pink.
Yeah, look how nice that looks. It's beautiful. All right, would you like to pour the last bit into here?
Yeah.
Just pour it right in. Oh, great job. You want to pick one out here? Here, fill these up a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Great job. Do we have a little more left in there?
Yeah.
All right.
No, this one.
Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go rinse this off. I'm going to put a little more of our melt and pour base. And then, yes, we will do some of the greens. So let's push these little trees off to the side. And we'll move along to the next set. Now, for the next set of items, would you like to use the trees or would you like to use the feet?
The feet.
Little socks. Okay, all right, let me go get you another tray. I'm gonna rinse this out and then we'll heat up the next set, okay?
Okay.
And you feel free to tell the royal court whatever you want to tell them.
Next. This. And then this. And then this. 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 And this too. So we're gonna do this. Squeeze in. That is squeeze and squeeze. And then squeeze in. Now I gotta do this. This too. Oh. And this too. This too.
All right, you ready to pick out your next set of ingredients?
Sure.
Okay, so I have a lot of different greens for you to pick from. Some of them are a little more sparkly. Some of them aren't. So you
I
tell
want
me.
this one.
Okay, you want this one right here?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to put these to the side. Would you like a little bit of sparkle dust in there?
Yeah.
Okay, and then would you like any glitter in this one?
Yes.
Which one?
This one.
Okay, maybe we can sprinkle a little of this on the bottom too. Who knows? All right, time to smell again. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Here's option number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Here's option number 2. Here's option number 3.
I want this one.
Okay. This is the raw sugar and mint from Crafter's Choice. I'm going to weigh out another 8 ounces or so.
I want to put some in there.
Okay, that's a great idea. Why don't you do that? And I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, that's good. Thank you very much.
Yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna go heat these up. Then we're gonna put all of our fragrance and goodies in. I'm gonna bring a little tray to put this on. It's gonna be great. Why don't you tell them a Christmas story? You can tell them a story about Christmas.
Christmas story. We got these. And we got these and these and this and this and these. And we got these and these and this. Meets the Caesar. My Caesar. Daddy.
Where did you get those?
For them.
Oh, I see. You help yourself, why don't you? Okay, so let's put this right here so we can move it pretty easy.
Whoa.
Yeah. And now it's time to add some color. You picked out this one. Okay, gentle. I don't know if we need that much. Maybe we do. Gentle stirring. There you go. Okay, let's spritz the top of this. We can pop any bubbles. You want to put some sparkles in?
Yeah.
I'm going to put a little bit on here for you.
For me.
Yeah, dump that in. Gentle when you stir. I don't want you to burn yourself. Now I'm going to get you some of your fragrance. We're going to put some fragrance in. Squeeze. Good job. Gently stir. Gently. Slow and steady wins the race.
This one too.
That one too, into the bottom there.
Yeah.
The soap, okay. Who are you going to give all these soaps to?
To them.
To them. All right, we can give some of your soaps to them. Maybe do a little giveaway?
Yeah.
That sounds like a great plan. We'll do a Lily soap giveaway for this video. If you go like the photo I will post on Instagram, you can be entered. We'll ship you some soaps. Yeah, you did mix this up. You mixed it so good and it smells so nice. All right, let's go ahead. Oh, do you smell it? You want to smell?
And this one in.
You want some more of that in? Okay, well listen, I'll put a little of this in, but we already have a lot of color in there. Yeah, this is what you said you wanted, right? You wanted some of that in. Now we're gonna pour it. Now, I'm gonna start pouring for you. Let's see, let's start with this one. Oh, that looks beautiful. What beautiful colors you picked. Okay.
I want to put some in there.
Okay, you ready to pour the last bit in? There you go. Good job. Wow! It looks great!
Again.
High five! Again? Well, I think we've done enough for now. I'm going to go ahead and spritz these with a little bit of... Ooh, look how pretty it's dancing. It's dancing. That looks so nice. All right. I'm going to slide this to the side, and then we have to let these set up, and then you'll come out, and you can take them out and take them in. We'll wrap them up pretty, and we'll give it to our friends watching the video. How about that?
Yeah!
We'll be back after these harden up.
Yeah. Bye.
We're back after Lily's nap. Did you have a good nap?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to move these out of the way. And then I'm going to let you take the soaps out of the molds. Which one? Oh, this is yours. Which one would you like to take out first?
That one.
All right, let's slide this over here. All right, do you know how to get it out?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you gotta pop it a little more. There you go. Wow, look at your Christmas tree. I love it. It's so beautiful. There you go. One more.
And
You
now
pull it
this
out?
one.
Here, you want to pull it out?
Yeah.
Okay. There you
So,
go. Oh, Lily, how great. Look how nice.
I will get them out myself.
Okay, excuse me. There you go. Wow. What a lovely Christmas stocking. That looks so good. Oh, there's a skinny one. There's a little skinny soap. How pretty. You made them.
That's you.
With me?
Yeah.
Oh, Christmas bells. Wow, Lily, great job. So sparkly, so pretty.
I wish we could make another one.
Well, I tell you what, we'll make another one pretty soon. Can you hold it up for everyone to see? Pick your favorite one to hold up for everyone to see. They look great.
And that one.
All right. Oh, and these two. Okay, yes, also favorites. All right, and the last two. Good job.
We'll take these inside.
We will. We'll take some inside and then we'll give some to them.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Don't you want to say bye-bye to everybody? We got to sign off and I'll also show them some things.
Bye-bye.
She's ready to get out of here with her bars. Here's her little soap up clothes. So cute, guys. And so easy to do. Obviously, if I can do it here with Lily, you guys can do this at home with your kids or siblings or nieces, nephews. You know, the opportunities are endless and clearly they will love it. Thanks everyone so much for watching another installment of the 12 Days of Soapmas 2020. Thank you, Lily, for coming on my video.
You're welcome.
All right, let's take these goodies and wrap them up for friends, and we'll see you guys later. Bye for now.
Bye for now.